All right, guys, we got a new thing we're going to start doing. It's called Instant Case Study. And what we're going to do is we're going to pull out the phone and we're going to record videos of us on calls with sellers, negotiating, setting appointments, doing deals. This first one, Mike just got a call in here a second ago, and we're just going to jump in and just watch him and see what he does. Hopefully we all can learn a ton from these little minute case studies. Let's do it.
State Farm, but between the cash I saved, an insurance check, and dipping even deeper in our savings, we can get down to that number.
Get down to 60 for me? That's great, man.
Yeah, I can't do that.
Yeah, so is 70, I mean, you say that's a good number for you then?
Well, it's not a good number for me, but it's gonna. It is what it is, man. It is what it is.
It'll work for you though, right?
Yes. I mean, I get, now is that, 70 and I'm done, or do I go to a title place and there's another $1,000 or $2,000 or something that's going to be there?
Well, the only thing that's come out of it, you know how, have you ever sold a house? It's the prorated taxes and stuff that, again, eventually is kind of your expenses on the property.
Okay.
But other than that, no. I mean, you're not going to have any other expenses on there. Now, if there's liens against it, I mean, I don't know what kind of federal liens, stuff like that.
There definitely shouldn't be anything like that.
No, then we're not trying to ding you for anything else, man. We'll pay our side of the closing, and yeah, $70K is our number on it.
And as per U.S. Bank, which took God knows how many calls I'm going to hold so long, when I get the check, because it's got my name and U.S. Bank's name, because that's the mortgage holder, I can take it to a U.S. Bank, and I can just put it on the principal, basically. And
well, so here's what's going to happen. U.S. Bank has a lien on the property, so we're going to go through the title company, and the title company is going to say, hey, listen, we can't actually give you clean title, Mr. Slane, until this lien is cleared. So at closing, they're actually going to ask you to bring whatever it is. So we're going to bring the $70K, and then you're going to bring whatever you need to bring to pay it off. Right.
But let's say the check is $5,000. I might as well just have that $5,000. I mean, I guess I can do it two ways. I can have it just cash and give it to me, or I can just put it towards the principal. Either way, it's going to bring the value of the house down.
You won't get a check.
So I mean, there shouldn't be any. Again, if you owe more than 70, and we go to a title company, you're not going to get a check necessarily. You're going to have to bring the cash to close, and then the title company is going to pay.
You're going to get a bill.
Is going to pay that to U.S. Bank.
Right, I know.
Okay.
When the check from State Farm is mailed to me.
Oh, gotcha. I see what you're saying.
So in my mind, the easiest route would be if they'll just take up the principal, just sign a check over to them. And the way they talk, I can just go into any branch and, I can just sign it over and it takes off the principal if I want to do that.
Yeah, no, that makes sense.
To me, it's less paperwork, it's less, it doesn't really matter as long as the value comes down to where it needs to be. I mean,
exactly.
How it gets there, so.
Yeah, exactly. No, that makes sense to me too then. Yeah, I would definitely undo that.
I've discussed with my wife. I mean, we don't want to dip this far into our savings, but it is what it is, and it is what it is, man. I gotta.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, it'll be gone, it'll be done, and that'll be it. The bonus is there's still no electric in the house, but the bonus is you do have a $1,700 brand new electric box and new poles you can own.
Well, I'm sorry.
There's $1,700 right there.
I'm sorry you had to do that, man. But again, I think it was the right thing to do.
No, it is what it is. It is what it is. And it did pass florist inspection. It's just in the hands of Amber now or whatever. God knows when they'll get to it. But
yeah, exactly.
So that, as far as florist is concerned, and in electrical stuff, it was permanent, it was pulled, all that shit was good to go. So that's good to go. So I guess whatever you guys got to do on your end, or however we got to make this work, I mean.
Yeah, so here's what will happen next. We'll send you a contract. Give me probably till tomorrow. I've got meetings here most of the day. Give me till tomorrow. I'll send you a contract for the 70, and then we'll bring it up to the title company, like I said, and we'll go from there. So do you know the ETA on the payment from the insurance company? Because I don't want to push a closing too soon.
Well, the check was cut last.
Good question.
Not this past Saturday, Saturday before, which probably means it came out this last, not today, but last Monday, would be my guess. So you would think I would think it should be coming any day now. It wasn't mailed all last week.
Yeah,
so
by the time the title gets pulled over.
I don't want to push. Yeah, I don't want to push closing too quick. So I'm going to go ahead and put closing kind of towards the end of the month. That way, we're sure that your money is in your hands, and then you're able to bring it to U.S. Bank. We make sure that then when we request the payoff, that's already shown up on there. I don't want to.
Well, I just want to touch base with you because I told you I was going to. me my email. I said, hey, man, I'm probably going to be back in touch with you. Let me see.
Yeah, I appreciate it.
We talked to the insurance guy, and then I talked to my wife, and she's like, maybe we can get a loan for my dad. I'm like, I don't want to do a family loan. I don't have no desire to do that. We're just going to have to make it work some other way. So it is what it is.
All right,
So
great,
we'll
man. Well, hey, I'm glad you reached back out to me, and yeah, like I said, I'll shoot you a contract here. Look forward to the next day or so. I'll be in touch after I send it, let you know, and yeah, we're happy to take this one off your hands and hopefully help you out. Keep on moving.
All righty, so hey, hopefully we can both be winners per se. Hopefully
Exactly,
you guys can go
man.
and make good money, and hopefully I can just be rid. We can both be happy with it.
Exactly,
You know what I'm saying?
exactly. Win-win, win-win. So.
And my email, which is the phone I called you, I actually texted this phone, but it's iToyota. It's pretty easy. It's iToyota at sbcglobal.net. And you should have had an email from me. I think it was.
Yeah, we've emailed back and forth. I've got it.
Yep.
Yes, sir. Mm-hmm.
All right, sir. I appreciate it. You have a great day.
Perfect. Thanks, Chris. Talk to you soon, buddy. Bye.
Take care, sir.
All right, Mike, instant case study. 2 minutes. Tell me about this deal. Where'd you get it? Where'd the lead come from?
Lead came from referral. So this
Okay.
was a friend of a friend of a friend, essentially.
Cool.
About
Love those deals.
About 3 friends deep.
Okay.
And they wanted to sell it.
Where's it at?
It's up in Florissant. It's a 3-bed. Bill, you went up on the appointment with me.
Bill? Bill was up there?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, so when Bill starts complaining about the price of 70 being too high, he was on the appointment and agreed to the price.
What will it appraise for, guys? How much work does it need?
It probably
Is this a rental? What's the exit?
It will be a rental.
So rental
it's
buy.
Probably a 110.
110?
Appraisal probably needs 10.
Like 10 grand? And we're
Yeah.
getting it for 70. So that'll be a rental that we can buy and have how much of our money in it?
Hopefully 0, baby.
Burr, baby,
Hopefully
burr.
0.
We're going to refi all of it out. Purchase and rehab. That's how we do it. Mike
Yeah.
Slane,
It's all about
crushing the
it's all
game.
about credibility, win-wins for the seller, and enough profit for us to get our money back and move on to the next one.
Hell yeah. And that is a new episode of Minute Clip. I don't know. I'm going with that. We're going to just start pulling out the camera randomly and getting shit on video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that. Mike, closing deals. Good work, dude.
All right.